In this video, I'll show you how to connect a TV antenna to your Vizio TV to be able to watch all your local channels. So let's get started. This, by the way, is a quite cheap Philips digital antenna. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. It works quite well. So most antennas, I mean all antennas, will have this port right over here. And where do we plug it? Well, let's go in the back of your Vizio TV. So if we go on the back, we're gonna notice this is where we need to connect it. Simply need to bring it like this, and then we need to screw it so it stays in place. Okay, you may have to hold it with one hand and the other one screw the tip. Perfect. Make sure it does not move around. Now, placing the antenna is quite critical. If you're in the basement, I suggest you put it close or even on a window. This is important because if you're surrounded by concrete, it will not work well. So you may have to adjust the antenna over time to get more channels. In my case, well, I'll just put it over here since it's just a demonstration. Now take your remote control and we're gonna press the input button right over here. Select antenna, should be this option here. Then select find channels. And wait, the scan will begin and it will tell you how much % is left and how many channels it has found. So over here we have one, and I'll come back when this is done. It could take a few minutes to complete. All right, it has been done. So now press the next button and right away you're gonna see your first channel. To navigate between channels, use the up and down buttons over here on the remote control. Some of them may not work well, like this one. Well, simply place your antenna better, again, maybe close to a window, change the position and see if it's working better. If you want to see the channels, you can also click on the right side arrow here on the remote control. And you're going to see them on the right side. There you can select them and even put a small heart, okay, to mark them as a favorite. So this is about it. Once you're done, you can press the home button over here to go back on the main menu of your TV. And every time you want to use your antenna to look at your, to watch local stuff, go into input, select antenna, and you'll go there. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Again, if you want to get this antenna, check my Amazon links down below. I'll even put another antenna in the links, maybe a bit better like than this one. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.